I'm going to show how to install a service kit for a Stihl brand weed eater. The service kit includes an air filter, a fuel filter, and a spark plug. This is the Stihl FS56RC. I bought this service kit online. You'll need to search for your particular service kit for your model. I also recommend the Combo Tool T-wrench that has a Torx T27 driver and a spark plug wrench. I got this one at no cost from a Stihl dealer. Find a dealer that has a service department and simply ask for this tool. They may have plenty to share. Begin by opening the package and take out each piece and lay them aside. Pick a work area that would be easy to clean if there's any fuel spillage. I will begin by replacing the air filter. Start by locating the screw that secures the air filter cover. It is found at this location on the left side. Use the T27 Torx driver on your combo tool to loosen the screw in this manner. Set the screw aside and then simply pull the cover off to expose the filter. As you can see, this filter is very dirty and needs to be changed. Using your fingers, remove the filter as seen here. Note its proper placement. There is an arrow pointing up. The new filter will match this orientation. Next, take a clean cloth and wipe the area well of any residual dirt and debris. Now take the new filter and insert it with the same orientation as the old one, with the arrow pointing up. Take the cover and wipe the inside well with a clean rag. Then return it to its original location, securing it back into place using the Torx driver. Next, I'll replace the fuel filter. Begin by removing the fuel cap, and then empty the fuel out of the tank. Once empty, peer into the tank to locate the fuel filter. To remove this filter from within, you will need a hooked wire to fish it out. I fashioned a hook on the end of a scrap piece of copper wire. Make sure you use a clean wire. You do not want debris in the tank. Once the fuel filter has been fished out of the tank, remove it by pulling it off the line in this manner. Then take the new filter and simply plug it in as seen here. Return the new filter to the bottom of the tank and fasten on the cap. Next, I will replace the spark plug. Locate the spark plug on the top of the engine. This is the boot that covers the spark plug. You will need to remove this boot to access the plug. It is important to know that this boot holds a coiled connector that is held on tightly to the terminal end of the spark plug. This connection is too tight to remove by hand. The best way to remove this connection is with the use of needle nose pliers. Grip the coiled connector within and pry up using the pliers as seen here. Next, hold the boot to the side while using a spark plug wrench to loosen the old plug. Remove the plug the rest of the way using your fingers. Now install the new plug in the reverse order. You do not have to gap this plug. It has been pre-gapped from the factory. Thread in using your fingers. Then hand tighten using the wrench. Be careful not to over tighten. You do not want to damage the plug. Finally, return the boot and the connector to the terminal end of the plug. Simply snap it into place. The trimmer is now ready to use.